Hey y'all, I wanted to show y'all the different kind of kitchen shears you need in your kitchen. This is just your regular everyday kitchen shears for not cutting in your yard, y'all. Just cutting up stuff in your kitchen, okay? These right here are lobster shears, although I have used these to spatchcock a turkey, but it was rough, baby. It was rough. This is poultry shears. This is what you use to like spatchcock a chicken, spatchcock a turkey, cut up a bird, okay? That's what these are for. And you see they've got the different little grooves on them. These got the little grooves for the lobster, and these don't have any grooves at all, like for herbs, and sometimes you need to tie some twine. You want to cut your twine, stuff like that. But there are 3 different types of shears that I think you ought to consider getting, especially this one, because now that spatchcocking is popular, and all spatchcocking is just basically taking the backbone out of the bird and flatten it out. And now that that's popular with chickens and turkey, I don't think you should use your regular kitchen shears for it because it's a little bit too rough. These are the shears that's designed for that. These are the shears that'll get through those bones really, really easily. These are for lobster, all right? I wanted to give y'all that quick kitchen tip. I'm Val Taylor. Y'all go out and make it a great day, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye now.